Welcome to another video of Missionisty. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications on upcoming videos. You can also subscribe to our newsletter via missionisty.com to get further updates and keep in touch. Mukesh Ambani, a business head honcho and the richest man in India with an expected total assets of $22.3 billion as of late, moved into the world's most expensive home with his better half and 3 kids. There are luxury homes, and then there's Antilia, the Mumbai home of business magnate Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries. Inspired by the mythical Atlantic island, Mukesh Ambani's home, located in South Mumbai's Altamount Road, is estimated to be the world's second most expensive property after the Buckingham Palace. The high-end mansion reportedly costs an estimated $1 to $2 billion. Here's everything you need to know about it. The building plan was approved by the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation in 2003. Antilia started building in 2006 and was built in consultation with US architecture firms Perkins and Will and Hirsch Bedner Associates, with the Australian-based construction company Leighton Contractors initially taking charge of its construction. The construction was completed by B.E. Billamoria and Company Limited. The home has 27 floors with extra-high ceilings. Other buildings of equivalent height may have as many as 60 floors. The home was also designed to survive an earthquake of magnitude 8. It is considered by some to be the tallest single-family house in the world, but others disqualify the Antilia because it includes space for a staff of 600. The interior design uses the shapes of the lotus and the sun. These 2 features are repeated throughout the building using crystals, marble, and mother of pearl. The building has 3 helipads, however, they are not operational. The helipads have to be certified airworthy by the Director General of Civil Aviation (DGCA) and get approval from the Central Defense and Environment Ministries. The housewarming was done on November 2010, but Ambani had yet to move into the home for fear of bad luck. In June 2011, almost 50 renowned pundits were invited to conduct pujas and address Vastu issues in the building, after which the Ambanis took up residence in September 2011. Before moving forward to the next section, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and the like button to show your support for the channel. It is situated in the most luxurious location. The 400,000 square foot building is situated in one of the world's most expensive addresses, Altamount Road in South Mumbai. According to Property Trends, per square foot of any real estate on Altamount Road ranges between a massive $1,000 to $1,200 per the numbers 2 years back. The home's design is based on natural elements. The architectural design of Antilia has been fashioned along the lines of the lotus and the sun. The top 6 floors of the building have been set aside as the private full-floor residential area. The Ambani home comes with a mega temple, a host of guest suites, a salon, an ice cream parlor, and a private movie theater to accommodate 50 people. Antilia has 6 floors for car parking. Mukesh Ambani has a huge need for speed. It is no wonder then that the Antilia has 6 dedicated floors for cars, including his ₹5 crore Maybach. In fact, the garage has space to accommodate 168 cars. The building in South Mumbai has a dedicated car service station on the 7th floor. Talking about need for speed, Antilia also has 9 high-speed elevators, each assigned to different floors. The home has a snow room. The Mumbai summer takes some getting used to, but for Mukesh Ambani and his family, there's a snow room to help them beat the heat. The walls of this dedicated room in the mansion spit out snowflakes. On 10th July 2017, a fire broke out on the 9th floor and it was extinguished within a few minutes. 6 fire tenders reached the building within 10 minutes of getting the call. However, the fire was extinguished before the fire brigade team reached by Antilia staff who used a small line of fixed firefighting systems and fire extinguisher. The fire was confined to the 4G antenna and plastic framing of vertical garden. On February 25, 2021, a car containing 20 explosive gelatin sticks and a threatening letter targeting the Ambanis was found near Antillia. The car was parked about 400 meters from the building on Carmichael Road, bordering Altamount Road. After a security officer at Antillia placed a call to the police control room regarding the suspicious vehicle, the police rushed to the spot, joined by the bomb detection and disposal squad. After the sniffer dogs detected explosives, the bomb squad removed the gelatin sticks, which were found to be not assembled and had no battery or detonator. The probe was led by the Mumbai's Crime Intelligence Unit head Sachin Vaz. Later, the case was handed to the NIA, which later found out that Sachin Vaz was involved in this incident. He was arrested and the case is going forward. If you have enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. A lot more interesting content is coming up soon. Be safe, wear masks. See you in another video.